Good day everyone. I am Lana Laude, a BSHM student in Visayas State University. So for today, we will discuss the emerging technologies in hospitality industry. It is good to know the emerging of technologies, especially in the hospitality industry, because it helps people to do things much easier, and most importantly, it can help the customers to be more comfortable, and in any activities they will be satisfying. Now, we know that technology has revolutionized the way hospitality businesses operates. We will discuss today the three emerging technologies, and these are Internet of Things, biometric technology, and artificial intelligence. These three offers great improvement and savings for hospitality industry companies. However, these technologies poses a great threat to privacy and unemployment. And here's another thing. These emerging technologies are widely used in the advanced countries such as China, Japan, and United States of America. Now let's start with the Internet of Things. This refers to the networking of physical objects through attached sensors and other tools that can collect and transmit information about real-time activities in an environment. In 1999, Kevin Ashton, who is a British technologist, came up with the term Internet of Things. In simple words, refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet. The Internet of Things application in the hospitality industry does businesses smarter and more efficient at what they offer. It enables to enhance guest experiences by offering unique service and facilities, amenities, and an exceptional digital experience. It also improves business process through minimizing operational cost while maximizing productivity and developing new services. Also, obtain information about guest needs and preferences, allowing businesses to offer more personalized products and services. Now, here are some examples. First is the keyless entry. It uses a smartphone or any device to unlock a hotel room door instead of a traditional room key or key card. Next is the smart devices. The term smart device is an electronic device connected to a wireless connection network such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Once smart devices are connected to a network, it automatically operates and interacts with the users. Some access you can use is a smart mirror or a guest room automation. The second emerging technology is the biometric technology. Biometrics are distinctive human characteristics that hardly or certainly not change. It uses technology to identify a person based on physical or behavioral human characteristics to grant access to systems, devices, or data. These biometric identifiers can be fingerprints, facial patterns, voice, iris, or even hand gestures. Biometric systems functions in two stages. First is the enrollment stage and the second is recognition stage. In the recognition stage, a user submits a biometric sample and then the system extracts a feature set, which is then compared to existing samples in the database. The sensor extracts features of the user's biometric and checks for its quality and then stores a unique template of that user's biometric into a database. If the feature matches with the data, the system decides to accept the user. Biometrics come in many forms. It can be used for security, access, or fraud prevention. Even the software needed to collect biometric data is evolving quickly. Biometrics can be categorized as physiological and behavioral biometrics. Physiological biometrics are those that rely on one's physical characteristics to determine the identity. And here are some physiological biometric features. Behavioral biometrics measures behavior patterns as opposed to physical characteristics. A person may have control over these characteristics. Nowadays, this method is regularly used to differentiate a robot from a human. This aids a company filter out spam or detects attempts to brute force a login and password. There are numerous hotels that the check-in process only requires guests to scan their face through the hotel's mobile application or scan their face at the kiosk, after which the guests can proceed to their room without any key or receipts. These are called express check-in. Biometrics offers easy and secure room access. Another is quick payments and accurate billing that only requires a fingerprint to authorize any additional payments during a hotel stay. Another is employee management. Can also monitors employee attendance and time. The application of biometrics have already started impacting the industry, with facial recognition being used at a hotel and airport check-in or customs kiosk and to confirm guest identity. Through fingerprints, face or iris scanning, or even voice recognition, biometric data can also be used to change the hospitality industry, creating a new levels of efficiency and security. The third emerging technology is the artificial intelligence. It is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. It is a branch of computer science that involves developing computer programs to complete tasks which would otherwise require human intelligence. An artificial intelligence can be application, a software or a program that controls robots. That is why most people get confused between artificial intelligence and robotics. So, what is robotics? According to Britannica, a robot is any automatically operated machine that replaces human effort, though it may not resemble human beings in appearance or perform functions in a human-like manner. The hospitality industry is shifting towards digital innovation and technology. Artificial intelligent robots, or AIR, is progressively adopted to improve the customer experience and make businesses smarter. In fact, this is what hospitality is about: providing quality service by exceeding customer expectation and creating the best experience possible. In an in-person customer service, an example of artificial intelligence in the hospitality industry is the use of AI to deliver in-person customer service. AI-powered virtual assistance is widely used today, especially in Japan. Another best example is the AI robot called Connie, which is Hilton Hotel's first robot concierge in the hospitality industry. The robot is able to provide information to customers who interact with it. Most impressively, it can recognize and speak a number of foreign languages. No need for a translator, especially to guests who don't speak English. Another example is the AI chatbots that are extremely effective when it comes to direct messaging and online chat services, responding to simple questions or requests. This has been utilized on social media platforms, allowing customers to ask questions and get almost immediate responses 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In data analysis, artificial intelligence has the capability of analyzing large amounts of data in a short amount of time. By streamlining the data analysis process, a hotel or restaurant operator can better use that data to make decisions regarding their business strategy. An example of this has been seen with the Dorchester Collection Hotel chain, which has made use of the Metis AI platform. By using this technology, the company has been able to sort through data collected via surveys, online reviews, or etc. And the AI has been able to then analyze this to draw conclusions about overall performance. There are also advantages in the use of emerging technologies. These are easy access to information, improves productivity, personalized guest experience, and no breaks and holidays. However, in any advantages comes disadvantages. This is the breach of privacy. Remember, the Internet of Things enable devices to share all types of data, including personal over the Internet, which can be tracked with ease. These devices know almost everything from your daily activities to plans. Once these data are put on the Internet, it will always be there, creating your own digital footprint, a trail of data you create while using the Internet. So, how about applying security measures to protect this information? Another disadvantages of it is the high cost, the emotionless of the robotics, the potential job losses, which is one of the significant worries in introducing technology, is the impact of job for workers. If an AI robot can complete tasks at a quicker, more consistent rate, then the fear is that human workers may not be required. So that would be all in the discussion of the emerging technologies in the hospitality industry.